What I got is the customer brought this truck over. This is a 2019 Ram 2500. Everything was installed. The speaker wire ran from that side, which is the right way to do it. You don't want to run where the power is going to be ran at. They ran the power through this right here, as you can see. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm not going to do, I'm not going to run wire that way and then coming that way, you know, to the passenger side and then coming this way. That's too much work. So what I'm going to be doing is this is a factory amplifier. I'm going to be installing a 4-channel, which is and a subwoofer. I'm going to use one of this LC5i. What LC5i is, you don't have to hook up one of these right there. This is audio control ACLG. It's a load. Basically, it's the a resistor. So we can adjust to this one, 20 ohm or 80, whatever. We don't have to buy one of these separately. So this is perfect for a 4-channel amp. I'm gonna hook up. I'm not sure if I had to hook up all 4 of them because it's 2. This is 4 basically. Channel 1 and 2 and 3. 3 is mainly for a subwoofer right here. And then 1 and 2 is for the highs. So maybe I'm gonna have to do all 4. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be using a 9-wire conductor. I'm gonna run the wire through here. I'm gonna poke the hole through there. I'm trying not to get close to this power wire right here. I'm gonna move the power wire a little bit farther, and then I'm gonna poke a hole down here, somewhere here. So that way I don't have to, there's no interfering noise, you know, because I'm going to go underneath instead of doing that. What I could have done, I could have taken the power wire and ran it down on the bottom and make it work that way. I don't even know where the power's at through. Oh, they got it through that way. So yeah, it's going to come like this. I don't want to touch those. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm gonna just poke a hole and run it to the bottom right there, and I'll show you. And as you can see, they hook up this way. This is not the right way to do it, and this is not the right way to hook that. You don't cut the wire that short, guys. Never cut the wire that short. So that's what I'm gonna be dealing with, is how they had the wire so short like that. So I'm gonna have to rip this all out right here, the black tape out. I'm gonna try to see if I can use the wire that is there, because this is what happened when you cut the wire so close. That's what I always tell my installer, like, hey, don't cut it this close right here. You do cut that close, you have to work on it. This is what happened. I ran the wire was cut so short, I rerun the wire, and then over here I kind of got left and right. Whoops. You see what I'm saying? Man, I know I pulled it. It's so short, it's hard to crimp. So if you're gonna look at this, you're gonna have to hook up. Basically, you're gonna have to, if you want the right way, green would be on this side and purple will be on this side. So for the left front, I would do, the left rear, I would hook it up to, which is purple. You're gonna hook it up to the dark green and green right there, and then purple black you would hook up to green and gray, and then the right there, pin number 4, I think it's 1 2 3 4. So the green one you would hook up to gray green right there. Yep, gray green. And then the green black, which is, you know, like I said, if you mixed up, if you do the same as me, that's fine, but the green black will go to the gray and dark green. So, and then you got the front speaker. This is right there, front speaker, the white one you want to put to the gray purple or gray violet, and the white and black. See, it's white and black. the white and black, you would hook up to gray and yellow. And for the gray, which is left front, right front, you would looking at gray, you will hook it up to green violet, and then gray black, you hook it up to green yellow. So basically the yellow on the top right there is for the negative side. And then you do the same way to your speaker over here, you hooking up the same color as I'm doing. So once you cut it, but whoever cut this was cut too short, and I didn't want to take it all out because it's working fine on that speaker, because that's go to the amp right there, and this is go to your line out converter, which is the LC5i. Over here I got it connected, as you can see, white, white black, gray, gray black, green, green black, purple, purple black right there. So we're gonna remove this power right here because I don't like it. I'm gonna make one right here for the highs, and then I'll make one for the power right there. I'm gonna make it closer over there so it's not too long of a ground. So the seat right there got caught on this ground like there. Look how bad it is. So try to not to do the ground too short, too long like this. So we're gonna put the ground right here. So that's the ground. Cut it shorter and put it to the negative side. So I got the ferrule right here. It is the, where they at? Right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put cut about an inch, a little bit above an inch, and put the ground with it. Push it through. You can see like this. So when you crimp it, it's gonna be really tight. And put it in back in the ground like that, and tighten it. Same as the power. That red wire, I'm gonna hook this red wire with that, and then remote's gonna go here because this remote will go to right there. It's the remote in right there, and then red for 12 volt, and then ground right there. That's from this little amp. You see, you make sure you want to crimp it to the wire, not to like the insulation. See how bad it is? That's bad. So we're gonna tap this together. Now this is how it is installed. This is will go to the speaker that I mentioned earlier, and I'm not using this old jack anymore. I'm gonna use my jacks, and voila. So you're gonna hook up 2 jacks to the highs, front and rear. See that? Level 1 or channel 1. The blue one usually the right, but it doesn't really matter if you want to change the tuning, the balance. You can just listen to it. If it doesn't work right, just swap it around.